So the first thing that I do when I got my tablet is I connected it via Bluetooth. So you go to Bluetooth, or you have a little icon for it. And so you can find different discoverable things, and you're discoverable as MJVA, and you would click Add Bluetooth. You can pick which one you want to do. I just did that. And you would add a device and it would become discoverable. So that's like my keys. It's a key finder. You can click on it and it'll give you a PIN number to connect to the device. And so that my tablet is called desktop on here. And then once you've done that, you can do a couple of different things with your actual tablet. And one of the ones that I did in class is I did connecting with it so that I could share my tablet screen. And so I found that you click the app connect, and then once it pops up, you have this. So let me just, this is my tablet screen now. And so I'm able to, you're able to see what's on your tablet screen from there. And so you click connect, and you click connect, and then it'll say it's able to be connected on your laptop. And then you're going to go to your settings on your tablet, and you'll click connect to a wireless display. And then you'll pick connect to a wireless display, and a little pop-up will open up right here on the side, and then your computer will connect. You'll see your computer's name, like mine said, better at MJLVA. So I clicked on that, and then now you can see my screen, obviously. So then, after I've connected and I can share my screen, I was just going to show you some of the things I do on my tablet. So the first thing I did was I connected to Teams so I could talk to my partner on here if I needed to leave my laptop for any reason. And then there's this Office 365. And what I did is I logged into my personal email account. And so I was able to, from there, log into Outlook for the school. And so I logged into our Outlook. And then there's this thing called OneDrive. And so when I clicked on OneDrive, it's on my laptop as well. And so I went on my laptop and I logged into the OneDrive with my personal email. And it was able to, it said backup. And so it backed up all of my different documents for school. And so now all of my documents go from the school laptop to the tablet, and I'm able to use them on the tablet or the laptop, and they sync up, and so now I can use all of my documents there. And then, so Teams, and then I did the Office 365 and OneDrive, and then a really cool thing that I noticed when you go to grading, if you go to your assignments, for English, this is really cool. You are able to when you're grading, you can click on this little pencil icon, and now I'm able to mark up their essays and give them corrections on their grammar and stuff like that. And then I can update it and save it, and it will save this for them. And so this will be really helpful in English class when we are going through and correcting all of the research paper, writing their grammars and things like that. So that was really cool for in the actual OHS, something that we're able to do with the tablet that I really liked. Another thing that I did was let me open it up real quick. I had a document, and so I shared my tablet screen with my class during class. And then what I did is I did something called, let me get it right there. Okay, so then I did Snip and Sketch. And so what you do is you click new and you draw what you want to snip just like regular. And so then I did that, and then I was able to use my second monitor to screenshot the charts that the students had filled out. And I filled out this outline as if I was one of the students. And then I wrote my discussion answer over here on this side. And then I was able to just kind of like walk them through the steps of taking their chart to the outline to the discussion answer. And then I could save this as an example and share it out to them. But then I also had the actual document here was left blank, so I could send that to the students and they could fill that out as well. And so the students really liked the fact that I could write it out and that they were able to see me think it through like this. So that was another thing that I thought was really cool with this, is that you could do a snip and sketch, just like you can snip documents in your laptop. But yeah, those were the main things that I've done so far, was connecting the laptop to display my tablet and then being able to share it with the students. And then connecting Office 365, like I said, I logged into my personal account, and then I used OneDrive with my personal account to connect the two. And so now all of my stuff is connected, whether it's on the laptop or on the tablet. So yeah, Office 365, and you're able to log into everything else on here as well. And then, Teams was with, you got to log in with your MGLVA email, not your K-12 email, and you're able to get in on that. I think, yeah. All right. Hopefully that helped you a little bit.